Hi, guys. Welcome back to episode 2 of Perfectly Imperfect Asha's World. So, today's episode is about showing you guys what my makeup products are, the makeup products that I use. It's based on the comment that my sister left on my last video. So, here we go. Okay, so the first product is it's the K Beauty color corrector. It's the shade orange. I have dark circles because I work night shifts, so naturally I have dark circles. So in order to cover those dark circles, color corrector, it's an important part of makeup, especially for people who have pigmentation or uh, have dark circles, etc. Right? ये तो सबको पता ही है अब तक हज़ारों मेकअप वीडियोस बन चुके हैं इस पर तो I would agree that color correcting is very important. The next product is my foundation. So I use Milani's foundation, the Conceal Perfect foundation, 2-in-1 foundation, which also has a concealer in it. Now, I'm not an expert in makeup. I don't know a lot about how to do makeup. तो जितना भी मैं कर सकूँ in order to just look presentable or fresh, उतना ही काफ़ी है मेरे लिए. So ये मिलानी का ये फाउंडेशन मैं इसलिए यूज़ करती हूँ बिकॉज ये कंसीलर एंड फाउंडेशन दोनों का काम कर देता है. So convenient है मेरे लिए. And I use the shade Sand Beige, which is number 06, and it's easily available on Nykaa. And price wise भी ये काफ़ी reasonable है तो so yeah, that's my foundation. And after foundation I spray a little bit of this, the All Nighter Urban Decay का All Nighter setting spray on the sponge, and then I dab it all over my face. ये मैं पहले नहीं करती थी, ये मैंने कुछ महीनों से ही स्टार्ट किया है. एंड आई हैव नोटिस दैट आफ्टर फाउंडेशन इफ आई स्प्रे दिस ऑन द sponge and dab it all over my face, my makeup stays longer. As you can see, ये makeup मैंने सुबह के 6 बजे किया था और अभी बज रहे हैं दोपहर के 2 बजे and my makeup is still here. So yeah, it's definitely the setting spray, which is a good setting spray, but foundation के तुरंत बाद spray करके dab करने से I think it gives a better result. Now because ये setting spray से थोड़ा सा wet रहता है मेरा face, so what I do is generally I'm in a hurry, to get ready. तो मेरे पास ज़्यादा time नहीं रहता है, so I can't sit and wait for the setting spray to dry, right? तो अब उस पर powder लगाने से वो फटने लगेगा. So I don't apply powder immediately. What I do instead is I do my eyebrows. So this is the eyebrow pencil that I recently bought. It's a good one, highly pigmented. To be honest, ये मैंने आज पहली बार use किया है, and it's highly pigmented, so please be careful while using it. हल्के हाथ से आप try करिए पहले, and then spoolie से brush in the end करना बहुत important है, otherwise it can look clunky. So yeah, that's the eyebrow pencil. After the eyebrows, I use the powder. So this is the powder that I use. Now I understand that this is also this is called foundation in a powder, but it works well for me. जो भी हल्का फुल्का discoloration दिखता है through the makeup, वो इससे ठीक हो जाता है. And I just use a little bit on the brush and then I just brush it on my face. So yeah, that's the powder. And after the powder, I go for abhi. Sometimes I use kajal and sometimes I don't. So if I'm using kajal, either on my waterline or above on the lid, this is what I use. Face Canada ka kajal. It's very convenient for me because इसको sharpener use नहीं करना पड़ता है. ये अपने आप खुलने लगता है. So yeah, that's the kajal. And after that I use mascara. Again, mascara is important because it lifts your eyes. I mean, again, a lot of makeup artists have vouched for a mascara. कुछ लगाए या ना लगाए वो mascara लगाते हैं because it opens up the eyes. And then yeah, I agree with that. It definitely makes a change. I think eyebrows को define करना and mascara लगाना it's what completes the look, right? So this is the mascara that I use, toothpaste. Very good mascara. And sometimes if I don't have to stay out for long hours, sometimes I go for this as well. And then these are my lipstick collection. ये है Milani का lipstick. It's the red shade. I love it. किसी दिन I'll post a picture with this lipstick. And then I have Nykaa's shade Boho number 16. This Milani का ये shade है 14, Devotion. And then I have Chambord. This I can't tell. Okay, this says number 482, but most of the writing has been worn out on this because ये काफी time से है मेरे पास. And this is one of my favorite shade, and that's the shade that I'm wearing right now. And then the last one, this too is my go-to lipstick, liquid lipstick. And this is Chai shade number 18. And after all of that is done, I use highlighter, MAC highlighter, and that's it. I don't use blush. I'm not a big fan of how my face looks with pink cheeks. So yeah, these are the makeup products that I use. And then I have a lot of brush collections as well. काफी सारे brushes हैं मेरे पास. But I don't use all of them. The only brush that I generally use is this. This is the PAC Jovita के collaboration वाला brush. This is the brush that I generally use to, just dab on the powder and then just quickly apply it all over. So yeah, that's the brush that I use. So that's about it, guys. That's the makeup collection that I have. Again, none of this is sponsored. Just because my sister asked on the last video to show my makeup collection, and that's why I made this video, to just show what I do. And then I'll also add a picture showing how my face looks without makeup and with makeup. So trust me, अगर आप beginner हैं, इतना काफी है to look presentable. So that's about it, guys. That's all we have for episode number 2, and see you in my next vlog. Bye.